Today we're going to learn days of the week, months of the year, and essential time expressions, so you can confidently talk about your schedule, birthday, or even make a plan with a friend. Let's start with the 7 days of the week. Repeat after me and try to pronounce them clearly. E hën, Monday. E mart, Tuesday. E mërkur, Wednesday. E enjte, Thursday. E premte, Friday. E shtun, Saturday. E diel, Sunday. For example, sot është e mërkur. Sot është e mërkur. Today is Wednesday. Nesër është e enjte. Nesër është e enjte. Tomorrow is Thursday. Të shtunën jam pushim. Të shtunën jam pushim. I'm off on Saturday. Moving on to the months of the year. Here are the 12 months of the year in Albanian. They're very similar to English or other European languages. Repeat after me. Janar, Shkurt, February. Mars, March. Pril, April. May, May. Qershor, June. Korrik, July. Gusht is August. Shtator, September. Tetor, October. Nëntor, November. And Dhjetor, December. Here we have some sentences as examples. Kam lindur në gusht. I was born in August. Sot është 29 korrik. Today is July 29th. Jam martuar në shtator. I got married in September. Let's now look at how to tell time in Albanian. In order to ask what time is it, we say sa është ora. And in order to reply, we say ora është një. It's 1 o'clock. Ora është 2:10. It's 2:10. Ora është 4:30. It's 4:30. Ora është 5:15. It's 4:45. Some key words to know are çerek. Çerek means quarter. Gjysëm, it's half. And pa, which means without. Some common time expressions. Sot, today. Nesër, tomorrow. Dje, yesterday. Këtë javë, this week. Javën tjetër, next week. Në mëngjes. Në mëngjes, in the morning. Në mesditë. Në mesditë, in the afternoon. Në mbrëmje. Në mbrëmje, in the evening. Natën. Natën, at night. Gjithmonë. Gjithmonë, always. Shpesh. Shpesh, often. Kur. Kur, never. Some examples. Takimi është nesër në mëngjes. Takimi është nesër në mëngjes. The meeting is tomorrow morning. Unë punoj çdo ditë në mëngjes. Unë punoj çdo ditë në mëngjes. I work every day in the morning. Dje ishte e premte. Dje ishte e premte. Yesterday was Friday. It's time for you to practice what you've learned. Try to answer these in Albanian in the comment section. What day is today? What month were you born in? What time do you wake up? And say, tomorrow is Sunday in Albanian. I'll check and reply to your comments, so please don't be shy. Shumë mirë! Now you know how to talk about days, months, and time in Albanian, a huge step for real-life conversations. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly lessons. Want to go deeper? I offer one-on-one lessons. Just send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. Miropafshim, and see you in the next video.